Hello everyone. In today's tutorial video, we will be seeing how we can do bulk upload of players so that it's become easier for you to add players in your tournament. In order to do a bulk upload of players, you would need something like a CSV or an Excel ready beforehand so that it becomes easier for you to upload them. In today's tutorial video also we will be seeing how we can manage players against each pool, how we can download the template of bulk upload, and what are the key things which needs to be kept in mind in order to do the bulk upload successfully, easily and faster. So of all, you need to go to My Tournaments. In My Tournaments, go to Add Players. Once you go to Add Players, you would have four options to register your players: self-enrollment, single player, copy players, and bulk upload. We have already talked about self-enrollment, single player, and copy players in our other tutorial videos. So we would only be focusing on bulk upload in this tutorial. Once here, you click on bulk upload and you would be taken to a page where you can add players. Here you have option to select pool. All the pools which are created for this specific tournament would be visible here. So I would be selecting star players or rookies, which are my two pools for this tournament. If I select star player, it would show me the option to select file, which is the option to upload your file. If you don't have the template ready handy with you, don't worry, you can download the template from here. So this is the template in which the system accepts the data. If something is manipulated with the template, the system won't accept it, and in that case, your uploads would continuously fail, which would result in more tedious task of uploading the players one by one, or you might have to reach out support in order for help. Once here, you download the template. Once you click on it, it will automatically download your template. Template is very simple, and it is not something of a rocket science which you won't understand. I will just walk you through the template as well. So here we have already template which is already open. So it expects first name, last name, email and phone number. Don't worry if you don't have their emails or phone number, they are not required field. It is the field just so that if you have them, you can add them. If you don't have them, skip it. It is not something which will block you from uploading if you don't add them. They are only made or required so that players also could be able to engage in the auction and the tournament. And if they are getting engaged in multiple tournaments, they can showcase their skills from past tournaments. Okay, so and phone numbers are again something which might be required in order to reach out to the players by the team owners once they are bought or once they are into the auction. So these are things which are very helpful and not for some capturing the data or something. It is something which can help the team owners to figure out and take proper informed decision at the time of auction. If you don't add them, that's completely okay. We won't block you from uploading the players. But again, having said that, first name and last name are two fields which are completely mandatory fields, so you need to add them. First name is the first name of a person, so here John is the first name and Doe is the last name. Jane is the first name and Smith is your last name. So these are the way you can add your players to the template. Now I will take you to a specific template or the template which we are going to upload for our star players and rookies. So here we have list of star players for this tournament. We have defined 25 players as star players and 25 players as rookies for our tournament. So we have total of 50 players. So here you see first name, last name and email and phone number. Don't worry, these are just fake data which we are trying to it might have no sense in the real world, but we are just showcasing it for your demo purpose and as an example. Having said that, we might be even removing the emails as well, as we already told that they are not required, so we are not going to add them. Same goes for rookies as well. We have created one more template from the given template, and we might not be adding the emails as well here too. If we want, we can add it. If we don't want, you can skip it completely. So these are two templates which are available with me, which I am going to now upload to the AuctionChase platform. So if you see, we are selected star players. I'm going to select my file. So my file is selected, it is getting uploaded, and all the 25 players would be added shortly. You don't need to worry about it at all. Let's just refresh it and check if the players are uploaded. And here it is. All the players which we talked about are uploaded on this platform. Now I want to upload the rookie players as well. So I will click bulk upload. I select rookie players. I select my next file and I upload that. Again, it says that it would be uploaded in short time. One thing you need to note here is, basically, since we are uploading it, we can't add images of the players, and which might be a very critical and a required thing for the use case. So photos are something which might not be possible directly in bulk upload, but that is very simple. You don't need to worry about it at all. Let's hope that all the players are uploaded. Let me just refresh it once. Yes, 50 players are available and they are from different pools. Star player, rookies. Now, if you want yourself to upload images of these players as well, it is very simple. You just click on this triple dot. You have option to change their pool, assign them as icon player, even delete the player and edit profile. Once you click on edit profile, you have the full flexibility to update his name, update his image, etc. So from this, you can now start uploading each player's photo and all, which would be very easier compared to one doing it via a single upload. So this is how we can upload all the players easily via bulk upload. So this is it for this video. If you have any questions, any suggestions, please let us know in our comment section and we would be happy to help you there without any delay. If you had liked this video, please do share it with your friends, families, and your group of cricket or any sport playing group, so that they can also be benefited and use this platform as much as possible, and we can grow as a community. Please don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends. I am repeating again, and comments and subscription as well, as much as possible. Thank you.